Hey, first grade family, Miss Whitaker here to show you how to get to Jamboard lesson. We're going to be doing Friday at 1 p.m. using Google Classroom to get to Jamboard. So here's my pointer on my dog's nose. You're going to come up to where it says classwork. This is the same place you come to join me for my live lesson, right? By clicking on this link down here for live lesson. But we're not doing the live lesson on Friday with just the video call. We're adding in something called Jamboard. So it's a two-step process for live lesson. Instead of just clicking on the live lesson and meeting me for the video lesson, you're going to click on the link to meet me in the live lesson, and then you will come back to Google Classroom so that you can click on who's in the room, okay? In order to know how to do that, you have to understand what a tab is, okay? So here I am on the Google Meets video link, right? And I'm going to click on it so that I can join Miss Whitaker for class. Now, right now, it's saying you can't join me because I'm not there. I'm making this video for you, right? But on Friday, you will be able to join me because I'm going to be there, okay? So this is called a tab. You're going to have to come up here to the tab that says classwork for Miss Whitaker, right? And you're going to have to go back to that tab. Now I'm going to show you again. Here's the Google Meets camera where you're going to be seeing me and hearing me talking. And you come over here to where the other tab is classwork for Miss Whitaker. You're going to come to who's in the room and you're going to click on this link. Okay, your tab for meeting with me is still open. You're still going to be able to see me and hear me if you come back to this tab. But you want to click here on who's in the room, Google Jamboard, and it will open a new tab. Look at that. And it says, who's in the room? Well, I'll tell you who's in the room right now. The only one who's in the room right now is Miss Whitaker and Prince Caspian. But on Friday, you're going to have to come up here to where it says next frame, and there's an arrow pointing to the right. And you're going to have to find your name. So who do we have? We have Michael, Cole, Ash, Xavier, Hannah, Sophia, Jackson, Athena, Yara, Shindara, Dwight, Alfonso, Addison, and then we have room for more family if they join us. So that's going to be your job, is finding your name, okay? Now this is the really cool part. You might be wondering how I got this fabulous picture of Prince Caspian and I onto my Jamboard. Well, I'm going to show you. Over here you have some different tools. This one is a pen where you can write. Oh, try to draw a heart here. Oh, I missed a part. Ah, I made a mistake. Go to the eraser and erase it. Right? Okay. I don't know. Oh, can we change? Oh my goodness, we can change pens, y'all. We can have a pen. We can have a marker. We can have a highlighter. Or we can have a brush, and we can change the color. So not only can we change the type of pen we use, we can change our color. That's cool. I want to try out marker. Red marker. Let's try that heart again. Oh, that was a better job. Okay, let's try it with a highlighter in Miss Whitaker's favorite color, turquoise. Let's see what happens. Ooh, I like that. Okay, let's see what the paintbrush looks like on the paintbrush and get some green in there. Interesting. Okay, I'm getting this. This is kind of fun, right? That's kind of cool. Okay, so this is what you're going to do on Friday with me. You're going to learn to use the pen. You're going to learn to use the eraser if you make a mistake, right? But the really exciting thing is you're going to be able to add images. Oh my goodness. Go to the add images. There's a picture with a little mountain on there. You come up here to Google image search, and let's say you love donuts like Miss Whitaker. So you can type in the word donut. You come over here to search and check out what happens. So many images of donuts come up. And you can pick whichever one you want, and you can add it into your slide on Jamboard. So let me see here. Oh, I see glazed donuts. Glazed donuts are my favorite. When I click on it, I see it has a check here. So I know that's the image I picked. And I'm going to come down here where it says select. And look at that. It's going to add the donut. Now, it added the donut on top of my face. And that's not what I want. I want to be able to see Caspian. So check it out. I can click on it and I can move it, right? I can click on the corner down here and I can make it bigger or smaller. I can click this arrow and I can rotate it. That's how I got my one with Caspian rotated, right? And I could cover it up. Like I don't need this part here of the picture where I've got my poster. I can move this here to cover that up, right? Still need to erase my heart. Worry about that later. This sticky note is also super cool, y'all. If you click on sticky note, first it's going to ask you what color you want. I already have turquoise, my favorite color. My second favorite color is green. So I'm going to type a little note here and say, I miss you all so much with lots of exclamation points. And then I click save. And look at that. It added the note to my board. Now, did you see what happened? It covered up my name. How rude. But that's just what it does. It just goes to the same spot. So I click on it and I move it and where I want to put it. I want to put it here by the picture of the class because that's you guys in that picture. Oh, I have an idea. I can take a marker and I can draw an arrow. So who is you all? Who's the you all that I miss? You all up here. Those are the kids I miss. All right, so these are the fun things that you're going to be able to do on Jamboard with me. Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit more about it on Friday, but thanks for watching this video ahead of time so that you can know a little bit about Jamboard too. Okay, remember, if you need to watch the video more than once, do it. Watch the video more than one time if you need to remember the steps of how to get there. Okay, and remember what a tab is. Then in order to see me, you can come up here, go from Caspian's nose up to the tab. And you can come to this tab and you'll be able to see me and hear me again in case you get confused. Okay? I hope you guys have fun on Jamboard with me on Friday. I'm really excited about it. Okay, guys, bye.